Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile technology, specifically focusing on the amazing features of Photoshop, a must-have tool for any creative professional. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the magic of Photoshop's filters. Whether you're looking to enhance your photos or create stunning visual effects, Photoshop has got you covered. From color grading to lens blur, these filters can truly transform your images. Next, let's explore the power of Photoshop's selection tools. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools are essential for any project. From the magic wand to the pen tool, these selection tools will help you achieve the perfect results. Now, let's dive into the world of Photoshop's brush tools. With a wide range of brushes available, you can create anything from realistic textures to abstract designs. The possibilities are truly endless. And finally, let's talk about the importance of layers in Photoshop. From organizing your work to creating stunning composites, layers are the backbone of any Photoshop project. So, there you have it, folks. A quick rundown of some of the amazing features of Photoshop that you can use on your mobile device. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun with these tools. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!